welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. What we have here behind us is a Survivor, an all-original Survivor. It's a 1978 Ford F-250 SuperCab pickup. Now, this was part of Ford's 6th generation of their F-Series line. Now, before I tell you more, a quick word from our sponsor.
Life is too short to drive foreign cars!
All right, guys, let's check out what's underneath the hood here. All right, all original. This is the 460 cubic inch V8. Now, this thing is paired to a 3-speed automatic transmission. And the reason they put this big engine in here is because this is the extended cab. Not only were you going to be using this as an everyday vehicle, you were also going to be hauling things. So you have to have an engine that was pretty capable of doing so. Now, this one here is in immaculate condition, a very rare sight to see. But with that being said, let's just walk around the vehicle and kind of see what's going on. The body panels and the drivetrain are all original, even the factory paint. Now, the paint you're seeing is a two-tone beige and almost maroon, but it's brown. Now, it's very synonymous with that late 70s truck design. It looks really, really good here. But starting off with our wheels, these are 16-inch rims, and we do have our Ford Motor Company wheel covers on there. Looks really clean, very nice. And I just absolutely love how the brown sweeps down the side of the truck. We do have our original side mirrors here in excellent condition. As we move down to this giant SuperCab bed, it's also nice and clean in here. And we do have our side exhaust right below. Okay, guys, and as we come down to the rear end of the vehicle, you know, we have our taillights. They look super sleek, but I absolutely love the lift gate. Check this out. So in addition to that beige and brown color that we're getting, we also get some silver and some black elements, just like our Ford lettering there. And in my opinion, I think this, you know, the late 70s design for these F-250s, or F-line, was just absolutely gorgeous looking, and it's really cool to see it in its all original condition. Now, with that quick walk around complete, let's take a look at what's going on the inside. All right, guys, so as we take a look inside, you'll notice we do get that same kind of color scheme going on, that beige and brown, except this time it is a little more focused on that brown color. It definitely complements the exterior quite nicely. We do get some features. We do have an AM/FM radio. We have air conditioning, cruise control. Of course, we have interior lighting, and that tilting steering column. Now, what I really like is that steering wheel. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And what's really unique are the gauges that you see right in front of them. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Just a very, very quick walk around just to talk about this thing a little bit. Now, at the time, you had plenty of options to choose from when it came to trucks, all right? Everybody and their mother was making trucks. Now, I would love to know, would you go for a Ford if you were back in at 1978? Let us know down in the comments below. That's gonna be it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching.